I would take it off.
Whoa.
Why is my husband in a tree?
And so Danny's spooling his new winch. Oh, he's been at the winch. He just got the bumper to put the winch on. So now we're gonna spool it. We're gonna tie it up against a tree, and then have him go uphill in neutral and use the winch to pull him up.
Let's see how far this is first. We need.
It's a hundo. Where are you you going the wrong direction, bro? The tree's over there. Oh, okay. How you guys gonna measure it? Are you gonna do foot by foot by foot like that? Is that how you gonna do it?
Back up all into the bush so much. I'll tell you when.
So he's putting the screw into the side of the drum.
Get it loose because it'll just pull.
Yeah.
If you get it loose, it's gonna get all tight and
Get it too loose, yeah, it doesn't.
For example, like when I get it all the way out, I just control it. It's a winch, they want like a minimum.
Yeah, no, yeah, you want to tighten. It's okay to get it back in like that, but then once you have time, you want to tighten it up.
Wraps before you pull.
Yeah, you want to tighten it up. Yeah, you want to wrap it around probably 2 times at least. Going the wrong way.
No, that's how you want it.
Oh yeah. Just replace that one with the warn guide. It's all about the details, bro.
Turn off your daylight, turn off your daylights.
Oh, it doesn't turn off. There it goes. It's off now. Yeah, put it in neutral. Yeah. Just don't go standing by that tree
Right?
when it's pulling. If that tree falls over, I'm out of here. Somebody's getting a fat ticket. Why are you dragging it then?
Fell over. Yeah, we just try to move it out of the way.
Yeah, that's true. Safety hazard. Hopscotch. Hey, do it again. I'm gonna add some sound effects to it. No, when he had to get his drone out of the tree at Keechless, when he jumped down from the thing, I added sound effects to that jump. You can even apply some brake too, if needed. I feel like it's pulling him pretty easy. So he's going from here all the way to that tree right there. Oh shoot, it's smoking.
Oh, it's spooled backwards. We gotta redo it.
That would suck.
Don't get your hand caught.
I know.
Yeah. All done. Now someone should get stuck down there and you winch them out. Yeah. Hut. Go get your truck.
Do it, Tim.
Go get your truck stuck. I would try it with mine, but mine doesn't get stuck though. So. It refuses to be stuck. It's about 6 o'clock right now. Danny was flying his drone. He thought he could clear the tree, ended up crashing into it. Now, but at least I was watching it as it flew into the tree and saw exactly where it's at. So it's not hard for us to find it. We just got to find a way to get it down. It's up there somewhere. It's up in the tree about, what do you guys think, like 50, 60 feet? So I'm gonna grab my ladder from my tent. And then Tony's gonna try to climb the tree. My ladder comes out like that. Yeah. Hopefully we'll be able to just get up there and shake the branch down. Whoa! Oh. We got an eye on it.
Yeah, I would just shake the branch with it.
Yeah, you don't want to climb out there. Just shake the branch.
The next one.
You see it?
Pumbaa went to bed, Daddy.
Again?
Yeah, he wanted to go back up again.
That guy.
Nope. Oh, yeah. There you go. Yeah. Yep, you whacked it. Whack it one more time.
Back and fuck.
There you go.
Ow! Ow!
You got fucked.
Fuck!
B got you?
Fuck!
You got stuck.
Ow!
You get stuck.
Yeah!
In the eye.
Ow! Ow! Stuck me in my nose.
Oh.
Well, at least you can still see. We got Benadryl, don't worry.
Ah! Wait. Ah.
Look at his nose. Oh shit, your wife just found out. Oh fuck.
Why is my husband in a tree? Why is my husband in a tree?
Because Danny flew his drone into the tree. That guy, he did it. He did it, blame him. There you go, you're shaking it, yup. It's right there as well, Paul. Oh, yeah! Good job! Yeah! Danny, you owe him your life. Danny, you owe him your life.
Ah, you owe me a piece.
Yeah, that's 10 hours of overtime. All right. Good job, Tony. You got it. Hey, whatever you do, don't fall, bro.
Chewed up by a pit bull.
Mm-hmm. I know. Got rescued by Tony. Josh, why don't you stand underneath him in case he falls, bro?
Like with the drone.
Yeah, you gotta break his fall. You didn't even catch the drone.
I know.
If you didn't catch the drone, we know you're gonna. Oh, be careful with that one. That's a dead branch. Oh, I told you, be careful with that. Yeah, get ready to catch him just in case.
Here's the ladder right here, yo.
Yeah, you good?
Hold on to the branch.
Yeah. You sure? We don't want you to make it all the way down the tree and then fall when you're 2 feet away from the ground. And then next thing you know, you hit
You saved my drone.
Hey, Danny, you owe him more than a hug, Danny.
Hey, Tony got the new drone.
Yay, the hero!
Oh, Tony. Tony, get an ice pack on
Honey,
your
you
nose.
forgot your drink.
I'm gonna make some fish and chips with some cod that I got from Costco, some fish fry, and yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. First, I'm gonna cut it up into small pieces and then deep fry it. And cut it up uniformly so it cooks at the same rate. A whole fillet of cod, Pacific cod. Got it from Costco. Wild Alaskan, or I might use this Cajun one. I think I'm gonna use the Cajun one instead. So with this, I think you just this one doesn't even look like you put it in. You don't even make a batter out of it. You have to mix it with water. Yeah, I guess you don't have to. You don't have to mix it with water. So I guess I'll just sprinkle the fish with the batter or the mix. So I'm just gonna fill up my pot right here with the water. I'm using this water from this container. It's got a filter in it. I'll do a product review on this. But yeah, so it's got the pump there. It's got the filter in there, and yeah, it's supposed to. I forget what the specs were, but it filters bacteria, viruses, some other stuff. It's got to pump it. Pressurize it. And then yeah, it's got the open and close valve. You turn it to the right to close it, and you turn it to the left to open it. And now I'm just gonna give the fish a quick rinse. Yeah, I was gonna get the Wagyu, but then I bought some and it wasn't.
Fishy.
Huh?
Very fishy.
It smells fishy? No, it shouldn't.
Or all the smells.
Oh yeah, I think that's from the last time we had the whatchamacallit. Yeah, tartar sauce.
Fucking recording so much work.
No, not really.
You gotta stop it, bring it over here. Get that
Yeah,
going,
yeah. Yeah, and I find that easier than having multiple cameras. I mean, it's good to have multiple cameras too if you want to do multiple views.
Yeah.
But then you gotta stitch it all together to where it's timed exactly right. Because if I'm talking in one,
Takes how long?
and well, if I'm talking in one and then I don't stitch it right, and then the voice is off. You look like you're dubbing, you know, like one of those old Chinese movies, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that cod you said?
Yeah. And then I'm gonna dry it off by setting it on the paper towel. And pat it dry a little bit more on top. Put the water. Use this when it's hot. Yeah, we'll go with the Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna put all of it in there. The point of saving it. Maybe I'll just do half for now. That's later. Coat it with the seasoning. Set it down. See if I can do a bunch of them at the same time. In the meantime, I'm heating up the oil, getting it to temp. I think it's supposed to get it to like 350 or 400. So I think I got the oil hot enough. It's starting to smoke. You can't see it in the camera, but it's starting to smoke. I just let it cool down a little bit because I think it's too hot. Then I have all my fish breaded. Lay down some paper. Oh.
Yeah, they just like moved my church, and so it's like a welcome to it.
Yeah. 2 minutes. What was it, like 2-3 minutes? And it's like done. Don't want to overcook it. Ooh, this is hot. I don't think I need to flip it because that oil is deep enough. Deep fried. I'll use both of them. Yeah, got enough fish for both. What you got on your taco, Danny?
Some cod, some street sauce.
What kind of sauce? Some hot sauce?
Right here.
Cabbage? Ooh. Taqueria. Hut's gonna go the not hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
The salsa verde. The green one. And Jenny's got tartar and lime.
And everything else.
Yeah, and everything else in between.
Tartar food.
I love tartar sauce. When I go to McDonald's and order chicken nuggets, tartar sauce.
How is it?
Very good.
Good? Take a look, see? Oh yeah,
I need to
look
take
at
a
that. How's it, Hut? Vaughn, come get some tacos, fish tacos. Cajun seasoning. Yeah. Yeah, but not the salmon this time. I bought cod from Costco.
Your seasoning is good.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, it's an old family recipe. Old family recipe from Fred Meyer's. Good morning. Yeah, so I got up early this morning around 6 o'clock. Started packing and getting everything ready to go. So now I'm already on my way home. Yeah, so thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks a lot. Yeah, I guess so. There's a vehicle on fire. Not sure how he caught fire, but he said it's not a good idea to turn around here because the road is too narrow. So I guess we just have to sit and wait. The fire truck isn't even here yet. We gotta wait for that to come out. And so yeah, might be a little bit. So that's where they parked. I think the tunnel, we're like right by the tunnel.